The future is closer than you think. And once you see these gadgets, you'll feel like we're already in the year 3000. These 10 innovations are really going to change things soon. We're talking about super powerful quantum computers and augmented reality so good, it could make Apple's Vision Pro look old. But first, hit that subscribe button to stay in the loop with all the latest info. Number 10. Nanohealers. Nanohealers are about to completely change healthcare. These tiny robots, built at a molecular level, are made to fix human tissue from within, targeting illnesses with amazing accuracy. Their main feature? They can move through our blood, reducing the need for surgeries and significantly reducing recovery time. Small and almost invisible, nanohealers are a huge step forward in medical technology. They have already started to capture the attention of doctors and patients, offering a glimpse into a new phase of tailored healthcare. Today, nanohealers are on track to be essential to future health treatments. Number 9. Electra Glide Robots. Meet the Electra Glide Robots, a masterpiece of precision and tech innovation. These humanoid robots are designed for complicated tasks that need human-like skill and decision-making. Developed by a group of forward-thinking engineers, they feature advanced movement systems and AI that help them move and adjust to different settings with ease. Powered by top-notch processors and equipped with balanced technology, they perform exceptionally in everything from factory work to detailed rescue missions. With sensors and advanced interfaces, the Electra Glide robots are wonders of current robotics. While mainly for professional and industrial use, they point to a future where robots help with everyday tasks and complex procedures. Number 8. SkyHover Drones. The SkyHover Drones are the newest breakthrough in flying technology, known for their sophisticated design and innovative engineering. These drones are a triumph of modern aviation, merging sleek shapes with high-level features. Created through a partnership of leading engineers and designers, they offer a refined, streamlined look that raises the bar for drone performance. They come with top-tier stabilization and AI-driven navigation, providing unmatched aerial photography and monitoring capabilities. They also introduce energy-saving propulsion systems, allowing for longer flights with superb control. With their launch, SkyHover drones have redefined drone tech, improving sectors from movie making to emergency services. Their influence is significant, reshaping the drone industry and impacting future trends in unmanned flying and AI use, confirming their role as pioneers in the field of aerial technology. Number 7. Quantum Constructors. Quantum Constructors marks a huge step forward in building technology, brought to us by a team of physicists and engineers. These devices use the principles of quantum mechanics to work with materials at the smallest scale, building things with amazing accuracy and strength. Their design is cutting edge, including a tiny system that puts things together. Quantum constructors can make materials and parts with special features, pushing the limits of what we can build and make. They use powerful quantum computing to work really efficiently and effectively, making them super useful in fields like space travel and tiny technology. Their debut is a big deal in quantum engineering. It shows how quantum tech can change old industries and help develop new materials handling and building methods. Number 6. Eternal Data Crystals. Eternal data crystals are a big step forward in keeping data safe forever, made to handle the world's increasing need to keep data safe for a very long time. These crystals are made from man-made quartz and can keep loads of data safe for thousands of years without any harm. They're built to survive tough conditions, like very high heat or radiation, making them a dependable choice for storing data. What makes them special is how they use lasers to write data, which lets them hold a lot of information in a small space and doesn't use much energy. Since they were first made, eternal data crystals have changed the information technology field. They offer a new way to keep data that lasts longer than old methods and help ensure that future generations can have our knowledge. Number 5. Orbital Net Satellites. Orbital Net Satellites are leading the charge in the new wave of communication technologies, aiming to deliver global satellite-based internet coverage. This initiative is a collaborative effort between top aerospace engineers and telecommunications experts, with the goal of eliminating the digital divide by ensuring internet access to every corner of the globe. The project consists of a network of satellites in low Earth orbit that provide fast internet service, particularly to areas that are currently underserved and remote. This technology enables access to digital education, telemedicine, and online business opportunities globally. These satellites are also designed to be energy efficient and environmentally friendly, powered by advanced solar technology. Since their launch, Orbital Net Satellites have become foundational in enhancing global communication infrastructure, demonstrating how space-based technologies can solve significant challenges on Earth, making the world more connected and informed. Number 4. VisionLens AR. VisionLens AR is at the forefront of augmented reality innovations, merging digital elements seamlessly with the real world to create an engaging user experience. Created by innovative engineers, this device leverages sophisticated AR technology to overlay interactive and contextual information onto the user's real-world view. The design of VisionLens AR is sleek and minimalist, making the device useful and stylish. It features advanced software capable of analyzing and enhancing real-time visuals, thus improving professional tasks and daily activities. It is equipped with a powerful processor and high-resolution displays, and offers a comfortable, adjustable fit to maximize user comfort. VisionLens AR has rapidly gained popularity, finding practical applications in fields such as education, design, and entertainment. It is redefining the interaction between technology and our everyday lives. Number 3. Guardian AI Pets. Guardian AI Pets represent a groundbreaking development in robotic companions designed to provide companionship and assistance. These AI-powered robots are perfectly integrated into daily settings, offering support, entertainment, and safety to their human owners. These small robots, standing just a few feet tall, are designed to be helpful and unobtrusive. They are equipped with various sensors and AI-driven capabilities that allow them to move around the house, recognize family members, and adjust to different household activities. Operated by a silent electric motor and featuring interactive displays, Guardian AI Pets can perform multiple functions, such as reminding users of important events or securing the home. Their design focuses on being friendly and approachable, making them a cherished part of many families. Number 2. ZeroCarbon Building Blocks. ZeroCarbon Building Blocks are a revolutionary step in eco-friendly construction, created to drastically lower the carbon emissions associated with new building projects. This innovation is the result of a collaborative effort by global environmental engineers and architects who have developed these modular blocks from a special biocomposite material that naturally absorbs CO2 as it hardens. These blocks' design focuses on functionality and visual appeal, featuring interlocking shapes that simplify and speed up the building process. These blocks are not just robust, but also excellent at insulating, making them suitable for various weather conditions. Their compact size enhances the ease of transport and assembly, offering a flexible building solution for both urban and rural environments. ZeroCarbon building blocks are a significant advancement in sustainable building technology, pushing forward more environmentally conscious urban development while delivering sturdy, energy-efficient residential options. They have the potential to redefine the building industry by providing a greener alternative to conventional construction materials. With their introduction, ZeroCarbon Building Blocks aims to encourage widespread adoption of sustainable building practices. They demonstrate the feasibility of integrating environmental responsibility directly into construction materials, which can actively contribute to reducing global carbon emissions. As these blocks become more prevalent, they could significantly reduce the environmental impact of new constructions, fostering a shift towards more sustainable architectural practices worldwide. Number 1. QuantumCore Processors. QuantumCore Processors represent a groundbreaking leap in computing technology, bringing the extraordinary capabilities of quantum computing from theoretical applications to practical, everyday use. These processors are developed through a collaborative effort involving some of the leading technology companies globally. They utilize the principles of quantum mechanics, allowing them to execute complex computations at speeds that far surpass those achievable with traditional computers. The core design feature of QuantumCore processors is a superconducting chip that needs to be maintained at temperatures close to absolute zero to preserve quantum coherence. This cutting-edge technology enables the processors to efficiently handle incredibly complex tasks like simulating new drugs, modeling global climate changes, or calculating intricate financial scenarios in mere seconds, tasks that would otherwise take conventional computers years to complete. QuantumCore processors are engineered to fit seamlessly into current server setups, making them easily adoptable by various industries and research institutions without requiring any specialized equipment. This, compatibility feature is crucial for facilitating broader access and utilization of quantum computing capabilities. The rollout of QuantumCore processors promises to revolutionize multiple sectors, including healthcare, finance, and cybersecurity, by providing them with unprecedented computational power. These processors have immense potential to significantly enhance the speed and scope of problem solving. They open new avenues for addressing some of the most pressing and complex global challenges. In addition to their raw power, QuantumCore processors are a testament to the rapid progress in quantum computing technology, demonstrating that such advanced computing is a possibility and now increasingly accessible. Their introduction marks a pivotal moment in technological advancement, likely to catalyze further innovations in fields that depend heavily on high-speed complex data processing. Thanks for joining us on our exploration of groundbreaking innovations. We'd love to know which upcoming innovation excites you the most. Share your thoughts in the comments below. And while you're here, remember to give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more transformative content. And before you go, make sure to check out the video about 10 futuristic vehicles currently playing on your screen.